this is going to be a quick walkthrough on how to upload data into Quickcode and then download it back out at the end. So in order to upload or ingest data into Quickcode, you can do that from the new classification page. There is a little browse button right here above the description field. You can also do this from the products page. So if we go to the view products page, there is an ingest button up in the top right corner. And so if you select either of those two buttons, it will take you to a file browser where you can select the file that you wanted to ingest. That will open up our dialog here to be in the file ingest. So the file name is something that will be searchable later on. So you may want to use a descriptive file name in the file name field. The description is going to be the field that is going to be the product name. So it's going to be the field that the AI runs on later on down the line. The HS code is going to be, if it's already classified, you can use the existing HTS code and bring that in with your product. And then you can map additional fields as well. If you have more fields than what is shown here, those will also still be attached to your product after the ingest. It just won't be mapped here on this first page. And so then once everything looks good, you can hit preview. It will show you a quick preview of how it will look once the products are brought into Quickcode. And then there's an ingest button here. And then that will start the ingest process. Any of your products that do have HTS codes, we will double check to make sure that those codes are still valid. And then we'll also flag any PGAs, AD, CVD cases, or additional tariffs, Chapter 99s, anything like that might apply to your products based on the HTS code. If it doesn't have a code, then you can drill into it and begin classifying and run the AI on those once they are brought into the products here. So you can see I got a notification here letting me know that my product ingest is complete. I'm going to go ahead and mark that as red. And you can take actions from the notification as well, but you can also do it here from this page. So there's an option to view those ingested products. It will filter your product list on the products that you just brought in, and then you can run any of the Quickcode processes on them that you wanted to from there. Once you're done, or once you need to send any products in Quickcode to a client, to your broker, to somebody else within the company, anything like that, you can select one or more. So there's a select all option at the top of any of your filters as well. So you can see I have it filtered here on those products we just brought in. And then there is an option to export or download. So exporting, it will download an Excel of your products. And so then once you're ready to, you can go ahead and hit export, and it will go ahead and export those products for you. You can see a progress bar up here at the top. The export will have all of the fields that you brought into Quickcode, all of those columns, everything like that. It'll look the same. It will just add any of the additional details from Quickcode on top. So if you did any classification, then the code will show on those products. If you did select any Chapter 99s, any PGAs, any anti-dumping cases, any attach any rulings, anything like that, all of that will come out in the export. So it will be what you ingested, as well as everything you added in Quickcode, and that is what you will get on the end. And then that will live in your inbox, so you'll get a notification that the export was completed, and it will also download to your browser. And so you can save that and download it, save it. It will save in Quickcode forever, and then you can do whatever you need to do with that download. So definitely do feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I hope that you have a good rest of your day.